विजय बाब फाल्यां खरगे येता गोंयांत आनी दे आर हॅव्हिंग कन्व्हेन्शन एंड ऑल. तुम्ही सस्पेंड ऑन अलायन्स टॉक्स ऑन सस्पेन्शन दवरलेले आसा. बट हॅव यू तुमचे इंटरेक्शन बा कितें जातलो कितें एक्झॅक्टली?
आय डोंट थिंक तो आमकां मेळपाक येता. तो येता ताजे डीएनएक मेळपाक, ब्लॉक लेवल जे लिडर आहात तांकां मेळपाक. सो इट इज देअर इंटरनल पार्टी इव्हेंट. इट हॅज नथिंग टू डू विथ दिस.
बट वेन यू टॉक अबाउट तुम्ही पहिले म्हटलेलें आसा क्लॅरिटी जावपाक जाय तेजेर येना. सो आता
टायम येतलो तेन्ना हांव सांगतलो हांव कितलो आनी खंयच्या लेवलाचेर तांचे बरोबर इंटरेक्शन इन द पास्ट केलां. पूण हांव आतां म्हज्या पक्षाचो घटक. आय एम वन ऑफ द लीडर्स ऑफ माय पार्टी, बट आय बिलोंग टू द पार्टी. पार्टी हॅज टेकन आय स्टँड बाय.
नो बट फाटी वेणुगोपाल येयले. वेणुगोपाल
They
तुमकां
were
मेळ्ळो
all
म्हणून.
coming to strengthen their party. See, you have to understand their intention. Their intention is to strengthen their party in all the 40 blocks. Our intention is also to strengthen our party. So nobody has reached the stage of talking anything. There's nothing left to talk because they don't keep their word. This is why our party has reached this decision of suspending accounts. You understood? They have explained why they have done it. So I don't want to repeat it again.
Okay.
But we are not reopening anything at the moment. If we are going to do that, we will tell you.
But there is nothing left to talk means what? It is closed? Those are closed?
See, at the moment, what the party has declared and made an announcement, I stand by the party. Nothing has changed after that.
No, but what does it mean when you say nothing is left? Doors are closed.
Nothing. Not the people. See, the point is the alliance that I was committed to was between 22 to 27. To continue with the alliance or to do some other arrangement. There were many things that have been done in the past. I don't want to explain it again. But there is also a principle. The principle is that whatever we do, we have to form an alternative government. We have to discuss policies. We have to discuss individuals. We have to discuss who is going to replace who. We can't just be sitting like this and coming together and showing one symbol and people of Goa are fools to accept. No. People of Goa are now thinking that the Congress will do a hat trick.
Do a hat trick in what?
In defections.
Again you feel?
Yes, that's what people are feeling. Therefore, we are thinking that we have to go to the people and restore their confidence that we will not do what they were.
So how will you go to the people
I
then?
will go. Who stops us from going?
No, then how will you go? With
I will go with my own legs,
no,
my own people. I have enough of them.
is it go forward alone? Because when you talk about that, this is defection.
See, any issue of an alliance will be, if it is to be announced, it will be announced after due discussions. At the moment, there are no discussions. There is no talk on any alliance
We are today.
with anybody.
So today we are today it is 16th August. So आणि कितला टाइम आहा
Yesterday
तुमका?
was Independence Day. So everybody is independent.
So आता टाइम उरला तुमका विजय बाब. समजतो
अरे
या
बाबा,
चितूंक जाय
time
जाल्यार.
उरला कितलो उरला ते म्हजे परत चड उरलो. I am a guy who has missed the convocation of my daughter, who has become a barrister and a solicitor in Vancouver in Canada. I didn't go there because there are municipal elections around the corner. I stayed here and cleaned the wards of Patanda with my own money. Because the municipality was not doing it. So all this we are doing. The importance of time and that the need to replace the BJP with a Goikarpan government. Nobody has to tell me about it. I am the most concerned about it. But others haven't reciprocated. We are now clear that we will do